This is for your talk methods. It comes out of 11E question number 4, and it's to do with the fundamentals of integration. Okay, I'm told that if I integrate h of x from 0 to 4, my answer equals 5. I'm going to do these with a mixture of pictures and integration. So I know that if this is my f of x, then from 0 to 4, this area here is equal to 5. So if I swap the terminals, it's going to equal negative 5. If I look at this, I've got h of x plus 3. So in effect, I've moved this up 3 units, and that would be where f of x is. And I know that equals 5, and that's 3 to 4, so that's going to be 12. The answer should equal 17. What would it look like if I was to do it using integration? The integral from 0 to 4 of h of x dx plus the integral from 0 to 4 of 3 dx. I know this equals 5 plus 3x from 0 to 4, which is 5 plus 4 times 3 is 12, minus 0, 17. Same answer. So if I was to look at this one, I've got h of x that I've lifted up 1 unit. So picture-wise, that's 1. That's my h of x. That's going to be an area of 5. This will be an area of 4, so it should equal 9. And the integral would be from 0 to 4 of h of x dx plus from 0 to 4 of dx. That gives me 5 plus dx integral is x from 0 to 4. 5 plus 4 minus 0 equals 9. Okay. I'm going to do E using an integral because I can't draw the picture of it. So it's going to be the integral from 0 to 4 of h of x dx minus an integral from 0 to 4 of x dx. 5 minus x squared on 2 from 0 to 4. 5 minus 4 squared on 2 minus 0 on 2. 5 minus 16 on 2 is 8. Negative 3 is my answer. That's going to equal, I moved that one. So this one here, I can draw this one because if this is what f of x is, then 2 lots of f of x will be stretched, and it will look like that, where my y-intercept has been doubled and all of my values have been doubled, which means it's been stretched by a factor of 2 away from the x-axis, therefore should equal 10. And what would the integral look like? The integral would look like 2 times the integral from 0 to 4 of h of x dx, which is 2 times 5, or 10. That's question number 4 from 11E.